Hi, my name is Peter and I'm from MobiLearn. In this course, we will be covering the major Google apps. Join me as I provide you with an overview of the Google apps on an Android operating system. We'll explain how these apps, which are free to download, can assist and enhance your productivity. With Google Play Store, you can download the best movies, books, apps, and games on your device. With Google Drive, you can store, synchronize, and share files. Scheduling a meeting, doctor's appointment, or a friend's birthday has never been easier with Google Calendar. Google Photos allows you to share and store any photos that you have taken on your device. You can create and edit text documents with Google Docs, with collaborative features that allow for working on a single document at the same time. Draw up your monthly budget by creating a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Have a big presentation coming up? Use Google Slides to create and edit your own presentation. Google Maps will help you navigate to your destination. It also offers route planning with various modes of transportation. We'll cover these in more detail in our Mobile Literacy Getting Started on Android course.